So guys, we're gonna go to the engine building room. Sorry about the light in the last spot. The light was messing up the cell phone here. Some engines here. And we just open through this door. Oh, this is the room. So this is the famous room where they're building the engines. Wow, look at this place. Oh yeah. So there's a block that's getting put together. Oh, very famous coating. Yeah, he doesn't have to take everything apart. So here they've balancing everything out, labeling everything.
部品回しとかするのでね、なるほどね、中途半端にこうできてるところはあるんですけどね。その先の作業が進